Hello friends! Today we are going to talk about making the circuit diagram of Arduino blinking light system and how to use ChatGPT to create the code and write the code without using ChatGPT. First, go to your browser and search for Tinkercad. Click Create button and select the circuit. Okay, let's make blinking light circuit diagram now. Okay, now we have finished making the circuit diagram. Okay, let's see how to create the code for ChatGPT. First, log into ChatGPT. Type like this. Enter now. Copy the code. Select the text option from here. Clear this and paste the code. Okay, now we have to make some small changes in this code. First of all, you should see which port the digital pin is connected to in the diagram we made. The pod I'm connected to has a D7 port, so type 7 here. Now let's run the code. Okay, our diagram is working properly. In this way, put the blink interval to different values so that you can increase and decrease the speed at which the bulb turns on and off. Okay, now let's see how to make this code without ChatGPT. Clear the code. First, let's set up the output and write it like this. Remember that the output command here must be capital. Next, let's set up the loop and write it like this. One thing in this digital write command, the letter W must be capital. Here, the high and low command should be capital. Okay, we have finished writing the code now. Let's run it. Oops, remember to put a colon at the end of the parentheses. Okay, the circuit is working. I hope this video is important to you. If so, please like and subscribe until we see another video like this.